welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can delete your history in Microsoft Edge. So click on these three dots and go and press history or press Control H. Then what you're gonna want to do is you are going to press these three dots, more options, and press clear browsing data. So this will pop up, and also the time range of it. For instance, you want to clear your browsing data for all time or maybe just the last hour. I'm just going to do for like the last hour. You can delete browsing history, download history, cookies, and other site data or cached images and files. I'm not going to delete the download history, and I'm just going to delete all these history and then press clear now. And just wait for it to load, and then you'll have your history cleared on Microsoft Edge. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!